Hi, my name is Kaylin. I've been with Lash for a year now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, and if you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we are going to be doing a mixed set with YY lashes. Today we are going to be doing an open eye. Longest length we are going to be using is a 14. Shortest length we are going to be using is a 10. So we're going for a very subtle open eye look. The goal of this set is to do an enhanced natural look, just a step up from classic. So let's go ahead and get into it. When doing a mixed set, I normally always like to start with classic because just like any artist, I get a little lash happy, and starting with classic lashes lets me kind of control how many fans and how many classic lashes I'm putting in, so I can control the denseness of the set. When I am starting to map out my sets, I like to place my extensions exactly where I'm putting those links are to kind of map out prior to what I am doing. So as I'm lashing, it is easier for me to know what lash length goes where. So we just finished placing our classic lashes. Because this is a mixed set, it is super crucial that you are doing 50% classics and 50% fans, or in this case, YY lashes. Doing so, making sure that you always do 50% of each is crucial, because if you want to upgrade your client to volume, they need to be able to see that difference so you're not cheating yourself. For the remainder of the set, we are going to be using YY lashes. A YY lash is split halfway down the center of the lash to look like a Y shape. Sometimes it comes with 2 lashes, sometimes you'll see little frays of 4 lashes total. It's just going to give you more dimension in your set than just a singular classic lash, but it is applied just like a classic lash, 1 eyelash per lash. By using tape on the lid, you can get better coverage by exposing those inner corners. So I began by taping back the extensions I had already placed, just to expose all those bottom layers that I want to get lashed. I am placing YY lashes on the bottom just because the weight of the classic is heavier than the YY lashes or any fans I'm going to be putting on for a mix set. So in case they start to droop, it kind of holds those lashes up a little bit. One benefit by putting YY lashes on the bottom lashes are going to create more of a darker lash line. So when using a YY lash, and if you have a client that has little natural gaps in her lash line, make sure to use shorter YY lashes in that case, because it's going to create more of a dense look and cover the area more. Now that we finished our set, we're going to go ahead and take a look, and you can see that the YY lashes are giving us more of an enhanced natural look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brought a ton of value to you. If you are wanting to be a certified lash artist, go ahead and check out LibBayLashClass.com and find us in a city near you. Question for you: what is your experience using YY lashes? Go ahead and leave your comments down below.